Microfiber products that's going to make cleaning easier. Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to Microfiber Monday here on the Euro YouTube channel. And today we're going to be walking through some amazing microfiber products that's going to make your cleaning twice as easy. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about kitchen cleaning. We know that it can be a hassle, but we have some microfiber products here that's gonna make your kitchen shine. Here we have our commercial cleaning towels, which are perfect for all-purpose cleaning. You can start with a damp towel to wipe down your countertops and appliances. These guys are incredibly absorbent, so they'll quickly get rid of crumbs, spills, and sticky spots. Next, when cleaning your stovetop or sink, reach for our antimicrobial silver towels. Its Novron-based silver technology helps fight bacteria, keeping your surfaces clean for longer without any damp or foul odor. Now, for that perfect shine, be sure to use a microfiber towel for those stainless steel appliances. You can again use our commercial cleaning towels that works wonders, making your surfaces sparkle. And don't forget to get our 12-layer microfiber sponge. This product is pure genius. You can use it to clean your sinks and surfaces, and when one layer gets soiled, just tear it away to reveal a new layer. It's like using a fresh sponge every time. Now let's move on to bathroom cleaning. We know that it can be hard to maintain a bathroom that you regularly use. So we have these microfiber products that are going to ensure an optimal experience. Whenever you need to polish your showers, be sure to use our commercial cleaning towels. They'll leave everything gleaming with no streaks. You can even use a towel for your toilet bowl and seat. These towels are quick, effective, leaving everything fresh. For soap scum and stubborn grime on shower walls and mirrors, be sure to use our ultrasonic cut glass cleaning towels, which will do the trick, leaving everything shiny. And whenever you have product spills or need a fast cleanup, be sure to use our micro wipes, which are handy and reusable. All right, we've talked about cleaning the kitchen and the bathroom. Now it's time to talk about general cleaning around the house. And cleaning furniture and electronics have never been easier with our suede microfiber towel. It's perfect for dusting, leaving your surfaces free from dirt, smudges, and fingerprints. Do you have pets? Well, no worries. Be sure to use our pet hair removal mitt. These mitts pick up pet hair and dust bunnies like a magnet. Cleaning your blinds and windowsills is a breeze when using our chenille flex duster or our electrostatic duster. They grab dust easily and make those hard to reach areas a snap to clean. And for that ultimate convenience, be sure to grab our terry mitts, which are perfect for dusting anywhere. Now you know how easy it is to maintain your home clean using the right microfiber cleaning products. Whether it's in the kitchen, the bathroom, or general cleaning, you can use these products to enhance your cleaning experience. And that's the end of this video. If you are interested in checking out any of these products, be sure to check the description below. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment what kind of videos you want to see next. Be sure to follow us on social media, and I'll see you on the next Microfiber Monday. Bye.